Welcome once again to the online training session of Odex, and in this session we will cover how to subscribe for the VGM plan, and which will further enable a customer or a user to submit the VGM on Odex, and we will also understand how the invoice is getting generated and how to make the payments as well. So once the user logs on to Odex, the user can select the eVGM option with the location required and continue here. From the VGM menu, go to VGM subscriptions. Now, this is the page wherein the user will be asked to select the required plan. So we have a plan of 50 VGMs. The cost is 1600 rupees for that. And the number of users, that is only one user will be allowed to submit VGMs. Similarly, with 100 VGMs, there will be 3 users which will be provided. The amount will be rupees 3000 for the plan. And with VGM 500 plan, it will be with 5 users. And with VGM 2000 plan, it will be with 10 users, costing rupees 30,000. Further, if we see here, we have a self-registration plan and we have a third-party plan. So self-registration plan is basically when we are submitting the VGM by self, and the third party will be whenever we are submitting the VGM on behalf of the shipper. In case if a user or a company needs more than 10 users or more than the required number of users which are given in a plan, you can select additional users from here, for which there will be a charge of 500 rupees per user. And on the right hand side, you can actually see the summary of the total amount which needs to be paid. So if I select 0 users here, and if I select a VGM plan of 50, so the total amount including the GST will be displayed here. If I select a self-registration plan or the third-party registration plan, you can see the amount getting added here. And if I select additional users, then extra users cost is also displayed here, and the total cost payable is displayed here. So once I do this, I click on the next button, and here this basically tells me the number of users which I need to select who will be submitting the VGM through Odex. So I select the number of users here and I click on the next option. Okay, it says login ID has been valid somewhere. So anyways, I select only one user, I don't need that. This is just a demo. So I select and continue some next. So now this also says importantly here, the plan, it has to be effective from which date. So we have usually seen customers submitting a request and they need the plan to be enabled immediately, but they select the date of the forthcoming dates. So if I select July here and if I say next, so this plan will be applicable from 1st of July and it will not be effective with immediate effect. So we select it from this month onwards, which will be immediate effect, and then I select next. So this is basically happening because I have selected a third party registration plan here. So third party is basically given mostly by the shippers who have nominated their third party CHA or a freight forwarder to submit the VGM on their behalf. So we continue further, say next. And now here we have a new feature which says online payments. So we can basically make payments directly by selecting a bank account from here, and this will basically divert us to the bank account, to our bank account page where we can log in and we can make payments directly. So now, since this is a demo version, I would not be able to show you a demo of this, and so I will show you the offline mode. So the offline mode, you can select the mode of payment, whether it's a demand draft, check, NEFT, RTGS. The amount displays here, the payment date you can mention here, the bank name, say for example ABC Bank. The instrument number is basically the check number or the transaction UTR number, and I can upload a screenshot of the payment done. So I just upload some dummy PDF here, and you can also see that I have updated the GST number of my company. So it is saying it has been GST approved, and then I say submit. Payment method is required, so I say NEFT. I say submit. So it says the VGM has been successfully saved. So we will now track this particular request. We can go track it. We say current status as all, and we say search. And you can see this today's date. We have submitted this request. Oh, sorry, I've gone to VGM subscription. Sorry. I select here all. I say search. Okay. So this is the plan I had just subscribed for. The status is showing requested. So once the support team or the approval team approves this particular status, the status will change from requested to approved. So I will just show you some past records here. So if you can check requested, so if you check the approved option, okay, so once the status gets approved, you can check the invoice tab here. It has basically become enabled. So you can select here and you can download the final invoice which gets generated systematically. So we hope that this particular session was helpful to you. For any further queries or support, you can always email us at support@odex.co. Thank you.